This is my brand new LiPo from Turnigy. Available at HobbyKing, this battery is an absolute beast. It packs 9,500 mAh of that juicy 6S power, and saying that this is a big battery is an absolute understatement. It is quite a bit taller than an ice cold Coke Diet and a little bit thicker as well. It has an XT90 connector and your standard 6-pin balance cord. And it weighs round about the same as my Arma Mojave Grom. So yeah, this battery is an absolute beast. And lucky you, because if you use the code GatorRC at checkout when you're buying at HobbyKing, you do get a nice discount from me. Link will be in the description. And finally, the car that we're going to use this battery in is the mighty Team Karate Shiroi, which is a huge, powerful short course truck that was basically built for batteries like this. However, maybe not so much, because I did have to modify the battery tray just a little bit to make it fit. Let's go bashing! And we have arrived. As usual, this place is absolutely astonishing. It looks beautiful here. It is just like RC Paradise for all these RC fans. There's still tracks from our last visit here a couple of days ago. Pretty crazy that they're still here. And it just shows how often I'm at this beach, because it is just beautiful. I do of course have the Team Karate Shiroi, as I said, and I also have the crate in 8S. Right, let's get this absolutely enormous battery into here. Let's get this party started. Oh my god. It has so much power. Whoa. Ooh. Yeah, this car definitely just got a massive upgrade on the speed and power. It is just crazy. Ooh. Jeez. Absolutely nuts. Okay, let's do a full speed drag race here. 3, 2, 1. The difference between 4S and 6S is just enormous. That was crazy. Let's try and do it again. I doubt we'll be able to, but whoa, crazy car. Okay, just before I wear down the battery anymore, let's get a quick speed run in. I'm gonna take the maximum speed I can possibly get. Okay, coming back around. And full pin. It is flying. Ooh! Oh my god. No. Camera is still on. Are you good there? There we go. Ready? Let's go again. Full pin. Jeez, the car is crazy on this battery. 6S, and it's using the most of it. It is just absolutely, it's a bullet. Dead straight. Whoa. Okay, one more time, then we're gonna get a reading. Jesus. I can barely see it now. And on the way back. Oh! Okay, I know I'm a bit far away, but let's get a reading on this end and read 74 kilometers an hour. This car is an absolute torpedo on sand as well. I think that is absolutely crazy. Let's get back into some bashing. Just before we do that though, let's check out how the battery is doing. Is it overheating? Is it good? Is it what's happening over there. The battery, even though it's so heavy, has not moved at all, and it is pretty much cold, and the motor is warm. It's not hot, but it's average, I would say. Let's do some more driving. Alright guys, the wind is picking up, so I hope you can still hear me. But the speed of this car on the battery is just crazy. It is so incredibly fast, powerful. It's hard to reach the true top speed of it. It is such a pleasure to drive it. Coming back around now, it is just crazy. It accelerates so quickly and the battery just keeps giving that power. The 80C that the battery has is just plenty and too much for this car. It is a pleasure to drive, and it's been driving for so long. Everything that you've seen so far is on this one battery. The speedruns, which typically eat the most power out of the bashing sessions, it's been awesome, guys. I couldn't recommend it more. So I have to admit, this battery did great. It had so much power, it lasted for so long. I am very impressed with the performance from this battery. The car was absolutely crazy the whole time. It has so much punch, so much acceleration. It just had unlimited power. And it lasted for so long with the 10,000 milliamp hours that this battery has. Overall, absolutely awesome experience with this battery. I would definitely recommend it. Link to it will be in the description, and of course do not forget to use my code right here. It will get you a nice discount when you're checking out at the HobbyKing store. But for now, I'm afraid that's all. In my next videos with this battery, I'm gonna go do some more bashing, test it out even more, so we can tell for sure if this is a good battery or not. But for now, that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.